Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, and that's they call cyber block in Japanese Suguru. In today's newspaper, in the additional of Wednesday, November the 27th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. This one will be number 9667. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 10 printed digits. Wow. I can tell you the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Could be a 4 stars, hard one, and the publisher has indicated with the 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and 2. More dual boxes, no. How about triple boxes? I see 1 triple box, contains the 1 and 2 and 3. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here or there, and the 1 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we already have a 4 in the same area, so this box should be a 5. Alright, more triple boxes, nope. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box, and that's all, only 1 quadra box. Well, this box, well, it contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. Let me see. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. How about the Z or the S construction? If you flip this, you will get the Z. It's the same shape. This is the S. Let me draw this here. When you see the S or the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2 there. Okay. Do we have more? No, only 1 S construction. The following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of this kind of shape here, another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place left with a 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1. And the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area from this 2. And the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we already have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Well, 2 and 4. Let me think. 4, 5, 3. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, or a 5. You have double 4 there, double 5 there. Yeah. Well. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this S construction should be there. 5. Think. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4 is connected with that box, should be 1 and 4. We already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this S construction should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. It can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Is connected with that box should be so 3 and 5, but we already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround 4 can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. Let me think. Wow. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. But also that box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 5 in this area is supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. It should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then let me see. Wow. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and 2 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 2. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and the 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 3 goes there. Okay, this is 2. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. And the final 3 numbers. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And the final 2 numbers for numbers 3 and the 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on Thursday. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.